A very good day to all. I, Dr. Rizwana Begum, would like to discuss the subject Techniques for Business Decision, and in this session, we shall see features of statistics. What are the characteristics or features of statistics? First one, we can see that it consists of aggregate of facts. That is, in the plural sense, statistical refers to data, but data to be called statistics must consist of aggregate of certain facts. Here, not only individual facts, here statistics is aggregate of facts, total of facts, number of facts are more here. Second, it is affected by many causes. It is not easy to study the effects of one factor only by ignoring the effects of other factors. It is another feature of statistics is it is affected by many causes. We cannot say a fact is affected by one cause. Then it should be numerically expressed. A data to be called statistics should be numerically expressed so that counting or measurement of the data can be made possible. To call any data as statistics, it should be in numbers, that is, it should be expressed in numerical terms. Then it must be enumerated or estimated accurately. The statements or in the statistics should be precise and meaningful. You cannot write an explanation for paragraphs and we can tell that this is statistics. No, it should be enumerated or estimated very accurately. There might be errors, but as far as possible, it should be very much accurate to tell that it is statistics. And it should be collected in a systematic manner. The data collected in haphazard manner will lead to difficulties in the process of analysis and wrong conclusions. So, whenever the data is collected for statistical analysis, it should be collected in a systematic manner. It should be when it is collected in the systematic manner, then it would be very easy in the process of analysis and right conclusions can be arrived. Then it should be collected for a predetermined purpose. This is a basic step in the statistics. Before we start the collection of data, we must be clear with the purpose for which we are collecting the data. So when we are collecting the data for the purpose of statistical analysis, we should know for what we are collecting the data. So there should be a predetermined purpose to collect the data. It should be capable of being placed in relation to each other. The collection of data is generally done with the motive to compare. So, when we collect the data, it should be capable of being placed in relation to each other. That is, there are facts to be compared. The data should be in such a way that it can be compared. In summary, I can tell that the features of statistics help in decision making in the organization, and decision making becomes easier when the data collected possesses all the set features. That is, when we have all the features in the data collected data, it is easy for the organizations to analyze and to come into conclusions. Thank you for patient listening. Thank you.